Hi, we are at Kharara, Kalagarh Tiger Reserve. So very interesting place we have come in. It's very far from the main Pakhro range zone gate. We are deep inside the forest. It is non-tourism core area here. Very difficult for the Chowkie people out here because there is no water out here. There is a small stream out here which also almost dries up in the summer, so these people have to go really far away to get water, and it's a very dangerous area infested with elephants and tigers out here. So the forest department actually made a pit out here, a small well out here which they have covered in. So the riverbed actually dries up, but the water is flowing inside the riverbed, beneath the riverbed. So the pit is actually filling up is filled up by the water, the stream which is beneath the riverbed, and we have put in a motor here which is giving now water to this Chowkie out here. And also we'll give water back to the same place in summers where the animals can also come and drink the water as well. So in summers, right now there is water in this riverbed, but in summers when it dries up, this water from the pit will actually be used to given back to the animals out here in the riverbed also. Plus to this Chowkie where these people, which is a very important Chowkie out here, so these people needed water badly here to live here. There are 5 people right now living here.
नाम रविंदर सिंह रावत है। मैं खरारा चौकी का श्रमिक हूँ और हमें यहाँ पानी की बहुत परेशानी थी। हमें यहाँ नदी नीचे से लाना पड़ता था पानी, और यहाँ हाथी और टाइगर भी रहते हैं नीचे, और अब पानी आ गया हमारी चौकी पे तो हमें बहुत सुविधाएं मिल गई है। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।